Hello, in this video I want to show you how to uninstall apps or programs on Microsoft Surface 5. To do this, first we'll need to click on Start, navigate to the settings and then look for apps. Here we can select installed apps and then you should see the list of all programs, apps and games you have installed on your PC. And then now to remove them, you need to find that specific app. You can scroll down or use the search bar right here. Then click on three dots next to the app and select uninstall. After that, you just need to proceed with the process that is shown on the screen to remove the app from your Microsoft Surface. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.